fire alarms in public buildings. Ever. Because if you pull fire alarms for fun in a public building, you're going to get into big trouble. So don't ever do it. So don't walk up to a fire alarm and do something like this. You know that could be not cool. And also, don't switch on fire alarms. Don't do any of that. Because that's tampering. You can't do that. So you never pull this for fun. Ever. And never switch them on for fun. Like, you can get arrested for that. So don't open up the key and do something. No, don't use a key to open up the pull station. Do something like this. You know that could be not cool. Don't switch on fire alarms or pull them, because that's not okay at all. So if you do this, if you pull or switch on a fire alarm for a joke, you're going to get in huge trouble. So do not ever do it. Now, only pull or switch on fire alarms if there's a real fire in the building, or if you got permission to for a fire drill or fire alarm test. Now, if you have your own fire alarm system at home, then yeah, you can pull for fun, you can switch them on for fun, but not in the public building, because they are not toys. But in your house, you can treat these as toys. But they're not toys in the public building, because they're only to save people's lives from a fire. If there's no fire, you don't pull these. If you don't have permission to pull this down, you'll get in trouble for doing that. If you're pulling the fire alarm or switching them on for no reason, I don't know why you're doing that, but you gotta stop. Because I've seen videos on YouTube where people do something like this. Or they do something like this. That's not cool. I am not responsible for your actions. Alright, thank you guys for watching.